Let's start with this iMac here. It's a 27-inch that came in because of an LVDS connector problem. Customer opened it and damaged the LVDS connector. I started working on this yesterday when I did not have the camera set up because of the reorganization, but we're gonna finish it together. Let me show you what was done. Okay, so this is the LVDS connector that we removed yesterday. It looks like we have one broken trace. We're gonna restore that, but first let's solder on a new LVDS connector. And this is a big LVDS connector, so we're gonna have to move back and forth, back and forth. Let's start by adding flux. Pre-apply solder onto the soldering iron tip. Okay, so one side is soldered and that's very good. We can solder the other side. Very good. Now we can solder the front. I'm just applying the first layer of the solder. We're gonna make everything look nice and pretty later on. I'm gonna choose a smaller tip. Yeah. This one we're gonna have to run a jumper wire on this pin because the trace is broken. Okay, so the job is done. We're gonna check to make sure the pins are soldered on properly. I just wanna go over the left leg here one more time. Okay, so now we're gonna clean up, check the pins, and then give it to Big Boss to reassemble. And I'm so used to working on microscopic components. When I see a big LVDS connector, it bothers me because I constantly have to move the part under the microscope, left to right, right to left, left to right. Let's start all the way from here. And maybe we can turn the spotlight on so we can get rid of the glare like this. Okay, so this is solid, 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 solid. This one is not going to be solid because we still need to fix it. Good, good, good. And everything is super solid. Okay, and the job is done. Let me just do one final cleanup and we'll give this to Big Boss to reassemble. Okay. Why not later? Okay, right there. It's working. Okay, so the iMac is fixed. Okay, awesome. Big Boss is gonna reassemble it. There is still the sensor cable he needs to plug in for the screen. And close it. That's it.